Nursery cartoon love, journey with Hooram.
5 ducks and a starfish. In the morning light, 5 ducks glide upon the gentle waves. They take their ride. Their feathers gleam with gold and white as laughter dances in the soft sunlight. Amidst the ripples where shadows play, a starfish rests in a watery ballet. With arms outstretched like dreams unfurled, it waits for wonders from another world. The ducks quack softly, a curious band. They dip their heads to explore the sand. With each splash that sends droplets high, they weave a tale beneath the sky. Look here, calls one with eyes so bright, a treasure hidden in this shimmering light. They gather round with wonder aglow, for nature's secrets are set to show. The starfish stirs from its silent retreat, an artist of tides that can't be beat. With colors vibrant, a painter's delight, it welcomes them into its oceanic night. But oh, the longing within each heart beats fast, to know what lies in horizons vast. For while they frolic in this tranquil scene, their minds drift far where few have been. Yet joy is found in simple things, in playful moments that life gently brings. 5 ducks and a starfish, a bond so rare, a fleeting glimpse of magic shared there. As dusk descends and the waters glow dim, together they whisper sweet evening hymns, though journeys may lead them far apart. In dreams of water they'll hold each other's heart.
Nursery cartoon love, journey with Hooram.